Hi everyone, it's Tanya from Riley & Company, and this is the assembly video for the town square from the Santa's Village collection. And this is the 2025 edition, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. So in your kit, you will have two base pieces like this, and the side pieces, which are this, and you will also have three little packets. One will include the people and all of our presents, and those will be colored in if you would like them colored in. You will also have, let's see, trees, which will include those, and I believe one of these includes those as well. So when you get them, keep them kind of together, separate it out, keep them together, do all of your coloring ahead of time, and then we will begin. So I am going to leave mine just normal color. I might even spray it white when I'm done. I'm not for sure, but I'm going to run you through each piece. Step one is to do these little trees. You'll notice that there's 4 pieces. You're going to make 2 trees, okay? 4 tree pieces and 2 bases. One has the top that way, one has the top this way. All you're going to do is put them together like this, and you will feel some resistance when you get it almost to the top. It's designed like that so that you don't have to use glue. So we are going to, sometimes they're a little tough, just like that, and it'll click right in place, and then it has a hard time coming apart. Designed that way. So when you're done with that, it just snaps right into its base. Okay, and it will have a little bit too much on this end because it's going to sit in its platform. So those 2 are done. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to build the stairs. This is a bit tricky, okay? You just have to take your time and do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start, make sure that the piece with the lines is on the top. There's obviously a top and a bottom, and you want them all to go on the top, so we can sit that. And again, it's going to have that little, you'll notice that it's a little tiny edge right here that helps it stay in place. Now, if you have to take it apart for any reason, you will have to use glue after that, because this little lip thing only works once. Okay, now I have all those in, so I'm just going to take my other piece, and one by one I'm going to kind of line it up. And just take your time, and just take you a minute. All right, line it up and snap it in place. And if it doesn't snap down, you don't have something aligned quite right. And there's my culprit. There we go. We have our stairs. Okay. Now, those 2 pieces will go on top of your 2025 piece. So that is just going to sit in there, just like that. In these trees, there's a little slot. Will sit in there just like that. Now, I might advise you at this point, this is where in the end, at the very end, I would probably glue these trees in, whether they snap or not, because they tend to get the most traffic, you know, when people come along and bump into them and stuff. See what I mean? Yeah. Anyway, all right, the next thing that we're going to do is our big tree. Now, you've got 3 pieces, a small, medium, and a large one. And you have 8 pieces of the tree. Now, there are 2 tall ones with the star. There are 2 medium ones, okay? And then there are 4 little baby pieces. Smaller pieces, I guess. Not little baby pieces. So we're going to start with the 2 biggest ones. And if you look very closely at this, All right, there are two of these that are just a tad bit longer than the others. That's where we want to start. We want to put the biggest pieces. This is for our bottom. All right, and we just want to snap it in just like that. And then we're going to take the next piece out. And again, there's two little slots that are a little bit longer than the others. Not by much, but you can see it. I couldn't make them any bigger than that because if you do, then they won't snap in place. And then finally the same with the top, and there's two pieces that snap in right there. This is going to be the hardest piece that you're going to have to do in this, okay? So now we want to take the opposite side and we want to get it in place. Get them all lined up. And you want to go ahead and snap those in place as well. And that's what you should have. Okay, that's what it looks like from the top. That's what you should have from the side. Then you're going to take your next biggest pieces and we're going to do that side. So you're going to make it into a little cross-like thing. Now, if it comes to something like this and you have a difficult time, okay, see where I've got my little gaps? It's okay, be very careful with this, to take a little hammer and just tap it in. Be real careful, you don't want to break off any of these, but I just use a little bitty, it's a jewelry hammer, and it just helps me snap them in. We are going to continue on until all of the rest of the remaining four are put in place. Here. The last thing that we are going to do, and this is a little out of order with your book, is we're just going to put these together. Again, they're like our original trees that we started. They just slide together from the top. Okay? And they sit in there. These you might want to glue because they're a little bit looser. And what we're going to do now is grab our base, all right, and make sure that we're facing front, and this is the front, okay? So you're going to take this little tree and we're going to sit it right in this little square that's going to fit. Okay, so if you run into a situation to where your tree won't exactly fit into here, is because it's off center just a tad. So if you look here, I don't know if I can get it apart. Yeah, I can get it apart about. See this line where these two pieces meet in the middle? You need to make sure that those are lined up in the center of this piece. Otherwise, you're going to be too far one way or too far the other way. Okay, and you're going to struggle. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we've moved everything completely in. And you're going to see how easy it sits right in there. See that? Then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to take our presents, and of course if you want them colored, you color ahead of time. With the tree that I did colored, I spray painted it ahead of time. So you can do that, or you can paint it while it's on here, but it's a whole lot easier to paint the pieces before you put them together. The next thing we're going to do, let's do the presents, and you have big pieces and you have skinny pieces. All right, I just put the big pieces towards the back and the little pieces towards the front. You can also put taller pieces towards the back, okay, and you just work your way around. That's all we're going to do. We're just going to work our way around. All right, so we have all of our pieces in here. Alrighty, then we are going to take our 5 little characters and we're going to figure out where to put them. Now you have 2 that are facing each other. Okay, those are meant to be right here in the front, 2 little elves welcoming everyone in. So we're just going to put those in the notches. like that. So that's what it looks like. Let's see, you can put the other 3 wherever you choose. So you're going to start with your fronts, okay, just like that. And all it's going to do is sit right there on these 2 little notches, and it's going to snap in. I would glue it as well, but for the purposes of this video, I'm not going to. Then you're going to turn it sideways, and we're going to find the next one that fits. They have different notches on the sides. Yeah. See how they fit in? So they're little one's in and one's out, so they have different notches. Make sure they line up. We're just going to take our hammer, give it a little tap, and it'll fit nice and snug right in there. See? Okay, we're going to turn it again, and we're just going to keep going, and we're going to work our way around and make sure that everything fits. See, that is the wrong one because it won't slide in. So we're going to grab the other piece. Right in there. And finally the back piece. Almost done. Can you believe it? Doesn't take any time at all. This one looks a little intimidating. It's really not. Give it one more turn. Make sure it's nice and solid. Ta-da! Cute, huh? But we're not done yet. No. So we are going to take our front step, and I'm going to take these off for now, all right, because they don't snap in. And I am going to grab my set of lights. And I'm just going to open the package. Now for these lights, all right, we are just going to take off enough. We're going to unwind it and kind of measure. So it's going to sit underneath the stairs like this. You're just going to tuck it in there. And then we want to have enough to where it'll come out the back end here, but underneath, right? So that looks like enough. And what I like to do is just give it another good twist so it doesn't come undone, and fan it out just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to tuck it in here. Turn that down to the bottom just a bit. And this, which you will need glue for, okay, goes on just like that. Just like that. Okay. And so now this is what it looks like underneath. This back here. But when you turn it over, your little light's going to be right here. You are going to need to pull this piece of paper out, and that activates the battery. So that is how this piece sits so far. Then the last thing to do, we're just going to sit our lights in. And there's so many different ways you can do these lights. They're so much fun. You can paint them all black. Okay. You can try to run little lights in them. I didn't have time, but I thought that'd be really neat. So we're going to set those in that corner. And you just work with it until we get all 4 of these in here. And be careful when you do these. These are a little fragile at the top. If you break one, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. Just glue it back together. Finally, that's okay. And then these will, of course, go right here. And finally, we have these little pieces right there. Those little pieces get glued on right here and right there. Oh, you see this? This is our little Riley silhouette head that's on every little piece that we make. All right, so that's going to go on there. And if you move around, every side has these two. Glue them on there. And then finally, your very last piece will be your gorgeous little wreath at the top, and you're going to glue that on. And when you pull out those lights, look what happens. I don't think we want a strobe. I mean, I guess you could, but it's, yeah. And so here's our lights. And that is as easy as it is to make your 2025 limited edition Santa's Village piece. I hope you guys have fun, and please share your completed piece with us on our Facebook page. Share a photograph with us and let us see. Let us see how you did it. All right, take care, everyone. Thanks for watching.